How to remove acne in Photoshop. Let's remove these pimples, acnes. How will you do that? Simply open Adobe Photoshop that you have. Now open photo in Photoshop that you want to remove acne from. Select, drag and drop here. Now here you can zoom in and zoom out according to your window screen. And here you can select healing brush tool. And now set the size of healing brush tool here. Go to the affected area. If you will click, you will get error. So simply press Alt key and touch clean area around pimple or acne. And simply slide the brush tool from clean area to pimple. And here you can see the results. Yes, here you can see. Okay, let's remove these marks too. Okay, whitehead. Okay, here this pimple, and yes, this mole around the eye. Okay, boom. Thank you, and yes, don't forget to subscribe.